Alright guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add the money pattern to an image that you have already clipped out. So I start off with an image that's already clipped out. You can see right here it has the green background on it. And the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to have the image open. Then I'm going to have the money pattern open. The money pattern, if you look real close, has this pattern. We created that. There'll be a video for that as well. But I have the money pattern open and I also have the image open. So I do Command A, Command C to copy. Command A selects all, Command C copies. And then I come over here to the image, Command V to paste. And it's going to paste it right on top. The next thing that I want to do, I want to change the blend mode for that to be a hard mix. So instead of normal, hard mix. And then I want to hold Option and click in between those two layers right there. The next thing that I want to do, I want to make this a black and white, because you can see the money pattern is on there, but it doesn't look good in color. So I click on my image, I click on the half and half cookie, and then I do black and white. So now you can see it's in black and white. It looks better. It's not perfect, but I could play around with those different things. If I'm on black and white right there, I could change the red, and you see it adds a little bit more detail on it. I could change the yellows, changes a little bit there. This one definitely changes stuff too. And there you go. All right. Now what I want to do, I want to be able to change not only the background color, which I could do just by double clicking here and changing the color there, but I also want to be able to change the color of the line. So all the way at the top, I click on the last one on the top, half and half cookie, solid color. Now I'm going to change the color of my line. Let's see, I want my line to be this pink color. There it is. Instead of normal, I'm going to make it dark in color. And this works for my, actually light in color. There you go. Light in color. I hold Option and I click right over here so that it only applies to my person, right? The only other thing, you can see that white right there. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, it's going to be different. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to click right here on the image itself, and I'm going to change that to have a different mode. Let's see, darken color for this one. Yep, there you go. So now I could actually change the color of my lines by double clicking here. At any time, I could just change it to yellow if I wanted to. Let's see, blue. Change this to another color, green, and that's it. Play around with the blend modes, because for some colors, light and color may not work. For this one, hard mix definitely works. For this one, you just leave it at normal. For this one, dark in color, you might have to change it to light in color. All right. I hope that helps. Enjoy.